Namaste. In this video, we will learn about trigonometry. The word trigonometry is made up of two words. Trigono means the triangle and metron means its measurement. So, trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that studies about the measurements and sides of triangle. It is mainly associated with right-angled triangle. If we consider any of the two acute angles, 6 different ratios can be formed using different combinations of the sides of the triangle. Let us say we consider the acute angle A in right triangle ABC. Then for this angle A, BC becomes the opposite side and AB becomes the adjacent side, and obviously the side opposite to 90 degree, that is AC, is the hypotenuse. So using various different combinations, 6 ratios formed are as follows. One of the ratios can be opposite side upon hypotenuse, then adjacent side upon hypotenuse, or opposite side upon adjacent side. Then we can also write hypotenuse upon opposite side as a different ratio. Similarly, hypotenuse upon adjacent side and adjacent side upon opposite side. Now, each of these ratios are given a particular name, and these names are called trigonometric ratios. So, the first ratio, opposite side upon hypotenuse, is called sine of angle A. The second ratio, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, is called cosine of angle A. Then opposite side upon adjacent side is called tangent of angle A. Hypotenuse upon opposite side is called cosecant of angle A. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side is called secant of angle A. And the last one, adjacent side upon opposite side, is called cotangent of angle A. It is important to note that each of these trigonometric ratios are always associated with angles. It is also important to remember these 6 definitions. So pause the video and note down these definitions of 6 ratios. Now, if we wish to write these ratios for the triangle ABC, we can use the names of the sides or their values if given as follows. So, the opposite side upon hypotenuse can be written as BC upon AC. Similarly, adjacent side upon hypotenuse can be written as AB upon AC, and so on for rest of the ratios. Now similarly, if we have triangle PQR with Q 90 degree, then PR is the hypotenuse. If we consider the acute angle P, then QR is opposite side to this angle P and PQ is the adjacent side for angle P. It is important to identify opposite side and adjacent side with respect to the given angle in every right angled triangle. The 6 ratios for angle P in this triangle are sine of angle P, cosine of angle P, tangent of angle P, cosecant of angle P, secant of angle P, and the last cotangent of angle P. Instead of writing such a long phrases for every time, there are short forms for each of these ratios. These are basically the first three letters of their actual name, except for cosecant ratio, where the short form is cosec of angle P. Now pause the video and try finding these 6 ratios in triangle PQR for angle P. You can take help of the definitions that you have noted earlier. Now it is important to take care of the following points as they are commonly misunderstood. The first one is, if you write only the names of any trigonometric ratios, then it has no meaning. These ratios are always associated with some angle. In second point, generally sin A or sec A or any other trigonometric ratio is understood as product of sin and A or sec and A or so on, but it is not the product, rather one term only. And third point is, in a right triangle, opposite side and adjacent sides are always with respect to one of the acute angles. If the acute angle is changed, then the sides opposite to it and adjacent to it changes accordingly. I hope this video was helpful in introducing the concept of trigonometry. Thank you.